In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Canva with ChatGPT. Once connected, you can use ChatGPT to create, search, preview, and edit Canva designs. Let's get started. First, open ChatGPT and make sure you're signed in. Next, open the Plugins section from the left-hand sidebar. Inside the Plugins directory, search for Canva. Select the official Canva plugin and click Install Plugin. Next, click Sign in with Canva. A new window will open. Sign into your Canva account and review the requested permissions. Click Allow to complete the connection. Once connected, return to ChatGPT and start a new conversation. You can enter a prompt such as, create an Instagram post for an upcoming summer sale. You could also ask, create a YouTube thumbnail about downloading an app on Mac. ChatGPT will use Canva to create an editable design that you can preview and refine. You can then open the design in Canva to make additional changes or download it. And that's how to connect Canva with ChatGPT. If you found this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.